We have 2 thumbs up. Match number 6 is ready to start. In 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go, we are underway. 26-8-97 on the blue line side, that's Emerald Robe Orioles. The sub-in for their alliance captain, Electric Legends. Shooting from up close, 1-2, going up and in. The Dubai team, U-Force, grabbing some artifacts from that far side. Shooting 1 up, not quite there. Arc Thunder, the wooden turret machine, 1 out of 3. For your red alliance as the number 7 seed looks to try and take the lead back. Pioneer opening up that classifier once again, grabbing 2 more artifacts. Gazade trying to shoot them up for 6 points apiece. Not quite there, just off the mark. 3 more artifacts shot by Pioneer, they'll go all in. As autonomous comes to a
pick
close.
Up your controllers.
Last second shots are being fired in from U-Force as well as 26-8-97 Emerald Robe Orioles. Red Alliance with a 74-6-2 lead out of autonomous, but anything can happen. We are underway in driver control. 52-73 Arc Thunder grabbing 2 from their aligned side, trying to poach from 23-400 U-Force. Whoa, shooting wayward. Arc Thunder letting their turret go a little bit too early, but 25-56 Pioneer, look at them go. Shooting from up close as well as far away from their launch zone. Here comes 26-8-97 doing the same. Emerald Robe Orioles, 1, 2, 3, not quite on the mark. But Pioneer now opening up their classifier with another 9-point swing. 113-81 in favor of red. 23-400 up they go with 2 green up top. 23-400 trying again with 2 purple up top this time. 2 out of 3. Good enough for 6 points. Here comes Emerald Royals with another 2 up top. The Dubai team with 1 down as well. Arc Thunder putting 3 up top of the wooden turret machine. Secret tunnel poaching from 26-8-97 as they have 3 artifacts inside their robot, 2 of which go inside, and now they need to open up that secret tunnel. And they will do just that. The Dubai team trying to do the same. Grabbing artifacts from all around the field with that speedy machine. Classifier looking to be opened by blue, and they will do just that as well. Another 3-point swing for Blue Alliance. Here comes 25-656 Pioneer Robotics alongside Arc Thunder doing the same. Red Alliance continuing to pour on the points. 1, 2, 3 going in from Arc Thunder, another 3 going in from Pioneer for an 18-point swing. Red Alliance starting to take the lead 206-170, but Blue Alliance is having none of it. Pioneer being boxed out by 26-8-97 as time slowly wanes away. 35 seconds to go. 52-73 grabbing 3 artifacts, shooting from downtown once again, trying to bully out the Dubai team. Looks like they may be having turret issues. Whoa, they fire into the crowd. Not quite where they want to be, but looks like their turret may be having some trouble. They may need to pivot to defense. We will see. 25-6-56 trying to pick up the slack as Blue Alliance now looks to try and catch up with a down robot on red. Turret is relined up for Arc Thunder as they shoot, but it's off the mark. 23-400 U-Force. Looks like they may have artifacts stuck inside of their robot, but they're trying to park with 26-8-97, their alliance partners. 50-73 Arc Thunder trying to squeeze in there, and looks like they have scores going up for your last elimination match. The Red Alliance takes the victory with a score of 293-226, 7 upset 6. But unfortunately, this means the end for your number 6 alliance.